I with my big long ears? Am I with big long ears? Whose are these big long ears? Are these donkeys? Are these donkeys' big long ears? Where are they? Are you leaning on me? You're such a good boy. Oh, you're such a good boy. Yeah. Say, I'm a good boy, Mummy. I'm a good boy, Mummy. The flies are bugging me. What are we doing? We're going for a walk without a lead? You silly boy. Silly boy. Oh, he just wants cuddles this morning, doesn't he? Dominic the donkey needs his cuddles. He needs his cuddles this morning, doesn't he? Yes, he does. Oh, what a good boy.